under-counter freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 47¼ inches, a depth of 29½ inches, and height with wheels, we have 35½ inches tall. Left and right swing doors, and coming to the inside we have 2 adjustable shelves. Each shelf will be 17 inches in depth by 21 inches in length. Measurements apply for the left and right shelf, with the interior dimensions measuring 43¼ inches in length, 12¾ inches in depth by 26 inches in height. Coming to the corner will be the ETL certification along with your thermometer above. Located on the back will be the 110/120 voltage along with the temperature control. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.